Hey guys, so I thought I'd bring you along for a day or a weekend in my life. We'll see what we do. So today I am going shopping. I'm just gonna go meet Ellie now. I actually already filmed this, but the sound disappeared because it was connected to CarPlay and for some reason there's just no sound, so I'm refilming it. So I'm in my Asda jumper, got these cute little earrings on from H&M, got some trousers on from And Other Stories, and then my £16 dupes that are like UGG dupes from Tesco. They look exactly the same and they are so much cheaper. So I'm going to go to the shops now. I'm going to go to M&S because I'm going to get all of their new like brain food selection. I'm going to do a separate vlog for that today, not a vlog, like a haul for you guys on that today. So that video will be coming next, so keep an eye out for that. I then have a Sports Direct voucher to use, so I'm just going to go pick up some more bits from there, just see what other bits I want to pick up. They have some really nice like sports tops in Primark at the moment for £9, and I do already have some, but if I find a top that I absolutely love, you best believe I'm going back and buying multiple of it. So hopefully they've got my sizes. They didn't when I checked the other day. And then I have got tonsillitis starting, so I went to the out of hours GP last night and they've prescribed me some antibiotics. I need to go pick those up, return a parcel to Amazon, and yeah, we'll just see where the day takes us. And then I also have an interview that I need to prep for. I might sit down for a minute and look at that. I'm not going to go to the gym today because my Aura ring has told me that I need to rest and just recuperate because my body temperature's been too high. So it's just going to be a bit of a chill day. I think I'm going to go take Woody on a walk as well. I've got her for opening, so it's actually like pretty dead, which is good because I can walk around filming myself and no one's going to think anything of it. So I'm just heading to M&S now. I'll show you. Oh, that's cute. I don't need any clothes. I'm going purely to get this brain food like new range that they've brought out, and then we can try it and I'll show you how much it is and if it's worth it. So let's go see if we can find it. Okay guys, so the second clip also got corrupted because I, again, was in the car park at the shopping centre and the phone was connected to the car, so it's lost the sound. But I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna do my, well, I'm already home now, so that's a bit confusing. But I will show you some of the bits that I picked up from the shops. I went to Sports Direct, I got some new pants from Victoria's Secret because the sales were on. And then I got some bits from M&S and some new running tops from Primark as well. So I'll show you those in a bit. I'm gonna go take Woody on a walk now, and I will have probably already gone and got some errands, so I'll bring you along for that and then I'll catch up with you later. Okay, I've just filmed my M&S brain food haul, so I'm gonna eat one of them now. This is their brain food super salmon salad. Oh, I'll get Woody out. I guarantee he's gonna start barking. Can you hear that? This is what he does. He wants me to let him out so he can just go bark at stuff. If you want to see my full review, hang on, I'm going to have to get him. If you want to see my full review of this brain food salad and all the other stuff, like I said, just keep an eye out for the next video. So I'm just going to eat this now and then I'm going to take him on a walk because he sounds like he's obviously got a lot of energy. Can you hear him? He always stops as soon as I stop talking. I'm going to put my own dressing on this because I really don't like the one that they gave. So I'm going to do some sweet chilli sauce on it. I feel like that's what is missing. I'm going to get me on like your food development team. I'll tell you what's going to work. I have no idea how to eat lettuce and salads gracefully. So I will catch you when we go on a dog walk with Woody. It is freezing. Like, can you see? Yeah, I don't know why it's gone so cold in the UK at the moment. It's just absolutely dropped. So I've decided I think I'm going to do a dog walk, get back. I don't think I'm going to do any of my interview prep today just because the house needs organising and I just feel like I need to properly get stuck into it, and I always work better in the morning. So I think if I take the rest of the day today to organise the house, just tidy, get everything sorted, do the jobs that I need to do, and then I can crack on with the interview prep tomorrow. So I'll bring you along for tidying the house. I'll show you the bits that I get when I get home. I was starting to feel so awkward because there's people coming towards me and I haven't got used to filming in public yet, but I'm going to start doing more vlogs, so I'm going to have to. And then I'm also thinking about getting the Sony camera because it's on sale at Very at the moment. I just need to do some more research into it and then hopefully get that, and then hopefully the content will be a bit clearer for you guys. Although my phone camera is pretty decent, to be fair. Right, I'm going to stop filming now because my hand is freezing, so I'm going to put it back in my pocket. Right, so I've got all these boxes of clothes to sort through and then I need to put them away in the proper places. So I'll probably just time lapse you while I'm doing this. I'm just wearing my chill comfies now, taking Woody on a walk. And yeah, I got these tracksuit bottoms from Sports Direct, the Jack Quills, and they were in the sale. I got them for £30, I think. They were 50% off. They're really nice and thick and comfy. So I've just put those on and we're just going to sort through all this now and try and sort it all out. Have you guys read the Court of Thorn and Roses books, like the Akatar books? Because, oh my goodness, I used to read all the time and I haven't read in years. Like, I think last time I read was when I was at school. They are so good. I'd seen them all over TikTok and my best friend was telling me to get into them and read them. I got the first book from someone, I didn't have to buy it, and I started reading it over Christmas and I have not been able to put them down. I'm on the second book in the series now, which is A Court of Mist and Fury. Girls, honestly, get reading these books. I have ended up just spending £60 in flipping Waterstones to get the rest of the books in the series, and then also another book which I've seen recommended on TikTok, which is called Quicksilver, and that book alone was £20. It was a hardback, so it's obviously going to be more expensive. I just think £20 on a book is a lot. Seriously, can't recommend it enough. If you need to just escape and get out of like your own head and get into a fantasy world, honestly, read those. This is mainly just pyjamas and comfies in here. I'm just gonna organise these into piles and then I'll start shifting it through to the bedroom and putting them away. I thought I'd just have a quick little tea and coffee break, but as I've already eaten half of my snack size Colin that I picked up from M&S this morning, I realised that I need to have an empty stomach to take my antibiotics. It's just not going to happen because now I'm going to have to wait 2 hours. What time is it? I'm a grazer. It's just not going to happen. So, and I feel like I could take it anyway. I don't think it is, because normally you have to take food with your tablets, but this obviously says don't. So I think it says I've got to wait like an hour, leave it an hour and then have them, or have food and wait 2 hours. I'm not really sure, but I'm just going to have to wait now because Colin is more important. So I've got Colin, I've got a lemon and ginger tea, and I'm just going to carry on cracking on, tidying up. I'll probably put like a movie or something on in the background. I just like background noise when I'm tidying, even if I don't watch it. Right, so I've just finished tidying. It is now 5 o'clock. So I've been doing that, I don't even want to think how long. And I think me and Woody are gonna have some dinner now because my stomach is grumbling, and I think I've left it long enough since I've had my antibiotic. Gonna grab some dinner. I'm just gonna have leftovers from yesterday. It was just like a curry and then some microwave rice that I literally just chucked all the leftover veg in and some chicken. I'm gonna edit my videos for YouTube, get some things checked off my to-do list that I need to do on my laptop, and then just probably read my book and have a chill night for the rest of the night. So I will probably catch you tomorrow. Hopefully my body is feeling okay and we can go to the gym. I'll probably do that as like a break because I think tomorrow, now that the house is tidy, I'm gonna do my interview prep. I probably won't show you that, but I'll bring you along for the gym and whatever else I get up to. So I'll see you tomorrow. Yes, yes. Good morning guys, happy Sunday. Woody's just having his breakfast, so if you can hear that I do apologise. In fact, I'm going to shut that door. We have a snow day today. Don't think I'm going to be going to the gym. I was going to try go and run on the treadmill so I'm not getting any cold on my chest, but I don't think I'm going to get to the gym. I'll insert a clip of Woody now going outside for his wee this morning. The plan today was to do my interview prep anyway, so that's good. Before I get started, I'm just gonna start, I've already had my antibiotics. I'm gonna get some Barocca in my Stanley. I literally start every morning with a Barocca. It's such an expensive habit, but then I also think if I were buying a coffee every morning, then that'd probably also be the same. I just love a Barocca boost. Not the orange ones, not anything else, a Barocca boost. Don't know what it is, it's just like a morning ritual now. Oh, I'll also have the M&S morning shot that I got yesterday. So I had the PM shot, so to give you a taste test from the morning one. I can't have any food yet because I need to wait an hour to have any food after my tablet. So I'll have this instead for the time being. The one last night was really nice. I absolutely loved that. This one is cold pressed apple, ginger, lime, lion's mane mushroom, matcha green tea, ginseng and added vitamins and zinc. Let's give this a go then. It's got a kick of ginger. You know when you like can burn your throat with the ginger? That's what I like. That's what I like in a health morning shot. That's that done. I'm gonna set up to do some work. I might time lapse myself doing some work, and then I'll see what else I get up to today. There might not be loads to show you. I will catch you in the next few clips. Okay, so I've just made myself a breakfast smoothie because I'm not that hungry and I just wanted to get like a load of vitamins in. So I've got banana, blueberries, that dragon fruit, which to be honest, I think just tastes a bit funky, but is in there anyway. And then an Arla strawberry protein yogurt. So actually it's not too bad when it's from a straw. I've still got a bit left in here, so I'll just keep topping it up. I'm gonna drink this, carry on with my interview prep, and then I'll catch you in a bit. I think hopefully the snow is starting to melt a bit, so fingers crossed I can get to the gym later. It's actually quite nice. I might put some like maple syrup or something in it actually. I have literally not moved from this position since 8 o'clock this morning. It is now 12:30. I'm just making myself, well, I've just heated up some leftovers. I've just got like some rice, curry, veggie mix in there that I'm gonna have now. Try to continue with this for a bit. I really wanted to go to the gym because I am feeling a lot better, but I just don't think I'm going to be able to get off my drive. So we'll see. We'll see if I can shovel a bit of snow, but even then I've got to go off the rest of the estate and I just don't know how that's going to go. I'm going to eat my lunch now anyway, do a bit more of this, and then I think I'm going to have to give my brain a rest because I'll just end up making it, like, you know, when you do it for too long and then you start making less sense than if you would have just kind of finished earlier. Right guys, I have tried to get off my drive twice and my car is just spinning. I've shoveled on my drive, I cannot get off, so I'm not sure whether I'm going to be able to make it into work tomorrow or if I have to work from home. But for now, I'm just going to finish off my day. I've just had like a yogurt and granola bowl. I'm going to read, I'm going to meal prep for tomorrow, and then I'm just going to chill. So I'm going to end out the vlog here, guys. I hope you've enjoyed coming along for a weekend in my life, and I hope to see you in my next video, which is going to be my M&S like brain food haul. If you've made it to this part of the video, guys, comment down below the
sun emoji because we need a bit of sunshine to combat all the snow that we've been having. And I will see you at the next one, guys. Thanks, bye.